Hey guys, it's JV Charles at Diggity Dog blog. The question is, can dogs eat corn? Yes, they can. Actually, corn, in moderation, is beneficial for gut health and all kinds of things. But let's check it out. You don't want to give a dog corn on the cob. They get caught in their gut and they can have all kinds of problems. The cobs, they're bad.
No corn.
So cook your corn, shave the corn off, and sprinkle it over their food. You want to avoid canned corn because it's got a lot of sodium in it, obviously. You want to avoid sweet corn. It's got too much sugar in it. Just use your noggin and contact your vet before you make any decisions about feeding your dog. It's always a great idea. But corn in moderation is good for your dog. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you later.